Hello everyone, so our today's topic is all about JavaScript string, all the methods. Okay, so extracting the string characters. Okay, there are four methods for extracting the string characters. First is the at method, or you can say at or position. In the round bracket we have to write, then character at, and then round bracket we have to write position, then character code at, and round bracket we have to write position, and using the property of this square bracket like array also you can use. So here we have only scripting part example, not the full program actually. So paragraph id equal to demo. Now text is what? Hello world. Okay, so text dot character at, that means at place number 0 which character is there. So index always start from 0. So at 0 h is there, so it will print h. Okay, then second example is all about character code at. It means at index number 0, whatever character is there, what is the Unicode ASCII code of that character? That means at 0 h is there, and ASCII code for h is 72, so it will print 72. Then here we have a constant name equal to w3schools.com, and let letter equal to name, that is this variable name, dot at 2. That means at index number 2 which character is there. Index always start from 0, so 0, 1 and 2. Next it is all about text of 0. Okay, so like just a square bracket array kind of thing. So text of 0, which alphabet is there, so it is h. Then next thing or next topic is extracting the string parts. So we can use slice, substring or substr. Okay, and these are the syntax for that. If you are using slice, then start comma end, substring then start comma end, and substr, that is start comma length. Okay, so first we will start with this slice. Okay, so slice function will extract a part of string and returns the extracted part in a new string. So this is our original. We are extracting from 7 to 13. Start is 7, end is what? 13. So we are storing our answer in part, so it will display over here. See. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is till E, comma is 5, and 6 is space. So 7, it means it will start from this B, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Because 13, that means ending is always end minus 1. So it will go till 12. Now substring. Substring is similar to your slice function only. The difference is that start and end value less than 0 are treated as 0 in substring. That is only the difference. That is start and end values which are less than 0, like minus 1, minus 2, are treated as 0 in substring only. That is only the difference. Substr is also similar to slice. The difference is that second parameter is the length. That means if you are writing 7, so it will start from 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space 6, 7. And from here you want how many characters? That is 6 characters we want. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If I write 7, 2, so 7, 2 will be 1 and 2. 2 characters only, that is substr. Concatenate, it is obviously joining 2 or more string. So we can have a text1 equal to something, text2 equal to something, and text3 equal to text1 dot. Okay, we want to concatenate with space also. So concate, and then for space double quotation empty and comma text2. So it will concatenate text1, text2, and result will get stored in text3. Trim function, it removes the white spaces from both the sides of string. See here, you all can see this is original text1 with some spaces on left side, some spaces on right side. Trim will remove both the spaces. So if you will print text1 dot length, it will be with space 22, and if it is text2, it will be without space, it will be 12. String repeat function, yeah, this is also very important. The repeat function method will return a string with a number of copies of a string. The repeat method returns new string. Okay, and repeat method does not change your original string. That means if it is text equal to hello world, okay, we have one more variable result, and we want this text variable to be repeated how many number of times, 2 times, 4 times, 5 times, that number you have to write here. It will print hello world that much time. And replace function method does not change the string it is called on. The replace function method returns a new string. The replace function method replaces only the first match, okay? And if you want to replace all matches, then you have to use regular expression with the /g as a flag. And by default, replace method will replace only your first match, okay? And what about replace all? Because in JavaScript we have replace all also. The replace all method will allow you to specify regular expression instead of a string to be replaced. If the parameter is regular expression, the global flag must be set, otherwise type error is what? Thrown. And last one, that is the JavaScript string split function. So we have a text equal to a comma b comma c comma d comma e comma f. We are going to split based on comma separator. This is separator. If it is semicolon a semicolon b semicolon, then write semicolon. If it is a colon b colon c colon, then write colon. Okay, so after splitting, our answer will get stored in my array variable. When we are printing my array of index 0, it will print only a, because in my array of 0 it is a, then my array of 1 it is what? B. So obviously these are not all the JavaScript string function methods, but some importance are this one only, like split, then trim, then replace, then repeat, concatenate, and so many things, etc. So thank you everyone.